So here's a quick 15,000 year history of the Morro Bay Estuary. About 15,000 years ago, the estuary we see today did not exist, and the ocean shoreline was about 6 miles out. 12,000 years ago, water from melting ice caps caused sea levels to gradually rise. About 5,000 years ago, rising sea level began to flood the deep river valleys created by Los Osos, Chorro, and Morro creeks, creating current-day Morro Bay. 3,000 years ago, the rising sea level stopped, which allowed the silt carried by Los Osos, Chorro, and Morro creeks to gradually fill the deep bay, creating a marshy area, mudflats, and a broad valley. However, today, Morro Bay Estuary is suffering from a rapid increase in sedimentation made of sand, gravel, and silt. Although sedimentation is a normal natural process, this concern is that adjacent land uses have accelerated the process. Under normal conditions, sedimentation will fill the bay over thousands of years. At the current pace, Morro Bay could fill completely within the next 300 years.